Big step of the well-known flex to the girlfriend, yeah. You know the rest, and you watching all Urban Central.
Think he finna f this drip up, man. Hold on. It's over with, King. You too late. He a month already, gang. It's over with. It's over with. Shit over with. Shit over with, man. All right, bet. Over with. He think this paid in full. I just took off on his ass. Shit over with. Nah, you a real nigga though, man. Gang. Shout out my 1090s, man. You know, big woo.
Everything's bendy, man.
Congratulations, nigga.
You know the vibes.
Shout out my 1090s, man.
You know that. You know that. Everything's bendy, man. You know the vibes.
Shout out my 1090s, man.
You know that. You know that.
Come on, gang, man. Where we at? Sneaker by, man. SBZ. We right now live in the Bronx, man. 149, man. We back on 149th Street. Okay.
No busy, no
phone, no bap. My son be saying, no bap, no busy.
No busy, no kizzy.
Go.